Hello, so in this video, I'll teach you how to find your target audience as an online fitness coach. And before we go there, you want to understand why you want to find your target audience. First of all, you're going to be able to make much more money just because you will be a specialist and an expert in the field. So if you look at the doctors, there's a generic doctor and there's a doctor that specializes in one thing. And usually when you go to that specialist, you're much more likely to pay a lot more money and you'll have to wait in line to get access to that doctor. So that's the same thing here. And the second part is it's going to be actually much easier to attract clients and create content for those clients. So it's kind of a win-win-win situation on your side once you find that target audience. So let's go into it. I'll be looking down here just because my laptop is right here, but let's get into it. So when you go into, like, when you try to find your target audience, so these are all of the people you work with or you have worked with, and like this is all of the people, male, female, any age, any problem. And at this point you want to try to find like the main attributes of what you like and what you don't like. So let's split this in half. Okay, this is the half of the people that you want to work with, and let me just grab a pen. And so this is the people you want to work with, and these are the people you don't want to work with. So let's just like take the most generic kind of thing, and let's say this is men and this is women. Okay, so you want to work with women and you don't want to work with men. So now you know that you're in your content, in your messaging, you will only be speaking with women. You don't even think about men. Okay, from these women, you found that you most enjoy and bring the best results to women who want to lose weight. So let's say half of these women, and usually it's probably going to be more than that, but okay, this is like, you don't want to work with these women right here. Okay, so you don't want to work with these women. That's it. So you have like a quarter of all of the people that we initially had. From there on out, you say, okay, so the women I bring the best results for and I enjoy working with the most are women who are between 40 to 65 years old. Okay, so these are the women that are 40 to 65 years old. So you don't want to work with them. Let's just make some notes right here. So you want to work with women who want to weight loss, not someone who focuses on, building like a fitness to become a fitness influencer themselves. So you want women who want a weight loss and 40 to 60 years old. Okay, so these are the women right here. And from there you say, okay, now I want to focus on actually, like, I really relate to women who are divorced. So women who want to lose weight, who are between 40 to 60 years old and are divorced and maybe are divorced, let's say. So you don't want to work with them. So you only have this much people left. And divorced. So in your messaging right now, and it sounds counterintuitive because you say like, oh, I could work with all of these people and make so much money. Well, that is actually wrong, because you wouldn't be making as much money, because you wouldn't be able to charge more because you're not a specialist. So now you have these women that you've been speaking to in your messaging, and you might not get hundreds of thousands of followers of these women specifically, but once you don't have to have a lot of, let's say, followers. You just need qualified people in your kind of lead list. And once you become, an authority for these women, you are much more likely to charge them a lot more. So I actually know someone who charges for a program $10,000 specifically for this target audience, because they already have money, they have a pain point, and yeah, it's divorced. So yeah, this is kind of like how you find your target audience. And I'm not saying you won't be working with these people at all. Like, there might be some people that you say like, okay, I'm gonna take you on. I have some maybe availability, and you're gonna, you vibe with the person, you like the person, and you take them on. But you're gonna create this scarcity as well, as saying like, yeah, I only work with these people. And I know someone who says they only work with, ex-athletes, but then at the same time they work with the regular people that try to fix their problem, because like, oh, he works with ex athletes, means he knows what he's doing, like he must be very knowledgeable, and I got my problem while playing basketball, so I'm going to reach out. So this is kind of where you create that authority. And how do you kind of reach those people? So you might think it's much harder to reach these people than reach these people. Of course, when you create generic content that is for everyone, meaning it's for no one, then yeah, you will reach some people, but it's actually much easier to find this audience. So how do you do that? So first of all, you have to create content that brings value to the people. Like, you speak directly to them. You know their pain points, they know their beliefs, they know what they're going through, and you create content speaking directly to them. And then, with organic content, algorithms will find those kind of people and bring more content, like bring more followers, bring more leads to you. And the second part is actually ads. So you can target people based on, their different attributes. So let's say with this, it's pretty easy, because you would target women who are 40 to 60, and yeah, you would definitely find quite a lot of women who are divorced and would like to lose weight. So yeah, these are the steps how you kind of find your target audience. You need to think about what field you're an expert at, where you deliver the best results, what kind of people you like working with, and what kind of people you don't like working with, and yeah, who you can create the content for and bring the most value. So that is all. Hope that was helpful, and I'll see you in the next one.